Hi guys, my name is Viorel and today I will introduce you to the Pandas library from Python by analogy with Excel. I consider that the easiest way to learn something new is to relate it to something that you already know, like Excel. We will look at some common tasks from Excel like filtering, sorting, pivot table, formatting numbers, and their equivalent in Pandas. Here is the sample file that we will use in Excel, and the same file in CSV we will import it in Pandas. We will use Jupyter Notebook for these tasks in Pandas. The first statement is import pandas spd. To execute it in Jupyter Notebook, we press Ctrl Enter. Okay, then we upload the sample data.csv that we have in our working directory. We take a look at the table. So, as you can see, this is the similar table that in Excel. We have imported it with this read.csv command. Next, we want to filter data. For example, to filter in Excel representative Jones. To do this, we execute this statement in pandas. df rep double equal Jones. And we have the same table filtered like in Excel. Then we want to sort the values by total. Okay, for example, in Excel, to do this, we go to custom sort, total, okay, let's say largest to smallest, okay, and we have it sorted. To sort it, we use df.sort values by column total. We execute it, control enter, okay, and what we see here, we have 1000 and then we have 100. Something is not correct. It seems like this column is not seen as number, it's seen as text. Okay. Now we have to explore the table to see what type is this column. We use the info, df.info command, and what we see is that the total is not float, okay, so it's not a number, it's object. What we must do now in order to be considered a number and to be sorted, we have to change the type of this column from object to float. Okay, and how we do this? df total dot as type float. Control enter, and we get an error. Let's see what this error is. Could not convert string to float. Okay, so due to this comma, Pandas does not recognize this this as a number when it tries to convert it. What we can do now is replace the comma with nothing. Okay, we use this command .string.replace. Okay, execute it, and now we try again to transform the column in float. Now we don't have an error, so I suppose that now it will work. We try to sort it again, ascending false. This means that it will be sorted descending. And now finally we have this. I have used this errors for educational purposes in order to show you how is the workflow when working in Pandas and when you import a table. In reality, not everything is so crystal clear and you have to make some transformations. Now, we want to make a pivot table by region to sum this table by region. So we go to insert pivot table. Okay, we put region on rows and total on values. Okay, so we have this. Let's do the same thing with pandas. The command is .grow by region, and then apply sum to the column total. Okay, we execute it, and we have the same numbers as here. Okay, now if we want to format the numbers like we do in Excel, okay, to put a comma between thousands and get rid of the decimals. Okay, there are many ways to do this, but the most direct one is to apply lambda function. Lambda functions are anonymous functions. You can search more about these, they are very useful. Here I will only explain how we consider it here, but you can expand your knowledge by reading more about this function. So we apply this format, okay, with comma, and then we round the integer with 0 decimals. We execute the command, and now we have this same format as in Excel. So this is the workflow in Pandas. Something that you do in Excel, you did it now in Pandas. I hope you enjoyed this introduction. If you want more videos like this, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.